Hey friends, on today's quick Apple numbers tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the SUMIF formula to add up cells for specific categories. Now this is a super simple spreadsheet right here. You can see I've got some names and some commission numbers, but this would work really great if you had a large category list, maybe this is bills or something like that, and you want to add up all the line items that are categorized in a specific area. So maybe on your budget sheet, it's everything that has food in it. So let's go ahead and again, try this out on this simple spreadsheet so you can see really how it works. So in this case, what I want to do is I want to add up every time Bill has got a commission in January. So I'm going to have Bill total down here. This is the cell where I want those numbers summed up in. So let's hit the equal key. This is going to bring up our function list. You can hit that down arrow for options, but in this case, I'm going to type in sum. And then as you can see, we have the SUMIF option right here. This is really nice if I click this because the formula outline is going to populate for us and we can just fill this stuff in. So the first is going to be the test values. I like to think of this as, again, your categories that you want to pull from. In this case, I'm going to have this area over here. As you can see, it populated just by dragging over the cells that I wanted it to check. Okay, next we have a comma, and then we have our conditions. Let me click on this, and this is really nice again in Apple numbers because I can just select the specific condition, or in this case, again, it's the specific name that I want to have be the condition to sum the cell. So in this case, I want Bill. We have another comma, and then we're going to have our sum values. And for this, I want everything in January to be added up. So again, what we should get is this 800 plus this 500 because it's associated with that bill. Let me go ahead and hit the checkbox here. And as you can see, 1300 now shows up, which is correct. 800 plus 500, again, equals 1300. Friends, that's a very, very simple version of how to use this. This can get really, really powerful, again, if you are wanting to pull data from a really large, messy category sheet that has a lot of different options. If this has helped, hit that thumbs up button for me. Let us know we're making good content. Then subscribe and stay tuned. We're making a ton more of Apple number tutorial videos to help make your life just a little bit easier. We'll see you again on the next one.